Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of DE News Roundup. This is for the week of SolidWorks World taking place in Dallas, Texas. So, we will have a lot of news collected from the show floor and the keynotes. This episode is brought to you by COMSOL, which provides software solutions for multi-physics modeling and simulation applications. Its flagship product is COMSOL Multi-Physics, a general-purpose simulation software for modeling, design, devices, and processes in all fields of engineering, manufacturing, and scientific research. Let's get going with the news. On Tuesday in Dallas Convention Center, SolidWorks CEO Gianpaolo Bassi officially opened the event with his keynote.
Good morning and welcome to SolidWorks World 2019. I heard you are ready. I am too.
The first announcement is about 3D Experience Dartworks. It's an integrated suite to augment the classic SolidWorks software-centric design workflow. The Dartworks collection includes data management, simulation, manufacturing, and on-demand services. The offerings seem to closely mirror the parent company Dassault Systemes Enovia, Simulia, Dalmia, and Dassault Marketplace setup. According to the company's press release, the Dartworks offering is the outcome of the company's $425 million acquisition of IQMS, a firm that focuses on small and mid-sized manufacturing firms. SolidWorks' new product, xDesign, is also the highlight of the show. This is a cloud-hosted browser-based design program distinctly different from the desktop-centric SolidWorks software the company is historically known for. xDesign is now in beta phase. The event also serves as the debut of another new product called XShape. XShape is a subdivisional modeling program for creating organic shapes with push-pull action, something not easy to do in parametric CAD programs, so that's expected to fill a gap. The next SolidWorks World, the next event will be rebranded with a different name, so SolidWorks World 2020 will actually be 3D Experience World 2020. It's a signal that the parent company Dassault Systemes now wants to bring SolidWorks, a company and the product it acquired in 1997, into its fold as an integrated part rather than leave it as an independent brand unto itself. We will have more news coming up, but for now, an acknowledgement. This week's Video News Roundup is brought to you by COMSOL, an innovator of multi-physics modeling software and tools for creating and sharing simulation applications, digital twins for use by design teams, manufacturing departments, and more. Now let's turn our attention to the show floor. Additive manufacturing or 3D printing company Ryze has just announced a partnership with XDesign Group, a SolidWorks reseller. With this partnership, Ryze says it's poised to make 3D printing directly from SolidWorks much easier and seamless. Ryze describes its technology as voxel-level printing. It's a patented technology the company calls Augmented Deposition. Ryze is based in Boston. Its printers are designed to make industrial-strength parts with materials that are safe and recyclable, according to the company. With an add-on, you can directly export your 3D parts from SolidWorks to Ryze printer software. Its technology uses easy peel-away support materials after printing. If you have watched some CAD software users at work, you might notice that some of them prefer to use the dual-handed approach, with one hand using a special device to rotate and position the 3D model, and another hand executing and slicing extrusion modeling commands. The 3D Space mouse is one of those special devices. It is now supported in SolidWorks xDesign, so you can use this approach when working with this software title. This is Ken Denton from 3D Connection, the company that makes the 3D Space mouse, demonstrating the mouse at the SolidWorks Partner Pavilion. Another additive manufacturing systems maker, 3D Systems, is announcing a new release of Geomagic software for SolidWorks 2019. This software lets you scan physical objects and bring them into the SolidWorks CAD program for editing and refining. This is very much part of the reverse engineering design workflow. While SolidWorks World is happening, SolidWorks rival Autodesk officially opens its Generative Design Field Lab in Chicago. Generative design is AI-like or artificial intelligence-like. in the sense that it uses stress loads and material characteristics as input to figure out the best topology or geometry. In Autodesk's words, rather than coming up with a design and performing simulation studies to ensure it works, generative design takes the guesswork out of the process, letting designer and engineer use more of their creative potential. Autodesk Fusion 360 software exemplifies this kind of working method. The new Autodesk Generative Design Field Lab is made possible through the company's partnership with the Digital Manufacturing and Design Innovation Institute's UI Labs. The U and I in the name of UI Labs stands for the collaboration between university and industry, so it's a combination of academics and researchers and industry-leading companies. This is all the news for this week. For more details about the items you have just heard and other design and engineering related news, please go to Digital Engineering 24/7. That is digitalengineering247.com, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel called DE Streaming. For now, I leave you with some of the footage captured from the SolidWorks World show floor. Have a good day. I'm Kenneth Wong for DE, signing off.